to Jeep Talk, and today we're going to make this catapult out of popsicle sticks and rubber bands. This rubber band basically. So the science behind the rubber band that uses elasticity, which basically means when you bend something in either way, it returns to its original state, like this rubber band for example. So let's start building it. Where am I? Oh yeah, there's my science couch. Make a homemade catapult out of 10 popsicle sticks, big or small, but don't mix them together because it's a really bad idea. 4 rubber bands, 1 bottle cap, masking tape, and a scissor. So, to start now, we need to get 8 popsicle sticks, so that means take 2 from the pile, and then keep it straight like this. After you've got it like this, now you get a rubber band and you try it over here. I'm almost done. Yep, so I've done one side. Now I'm supposed to do the other side with another rubber band. So I straighten it so there's no sticks sticking out in the middle, and now I start making this. Yep. If you want to make sure the catapult doesn't break easily, you can also tighten the straps a bit more on the sides, because I think that would be better. The catapult doesn't break like very easily and stuff, so I'm gonna make it tighter. So almost done, and yeah, I've tightened it. So now this is done. Now we get 1 popsicle stick and slide through. Just a minute. Yep, so now you've got this. This is how it looks on the side. Or make sure there's no sticks sticking out, okay? So yeah, make sure there's nothing sticking out. Now you've got 8 sticks, which is like a pile. Now you get 1 of the sticks and put it in the middle, like in the bottom. So now it should look like this. So after that, you try to put the stick in the bottom, try to put it in the middle, and also a reminder, if you want, when you finish rubber banding the stuff, if you want, you can put a rubber band connection over here, which I'm gonna do, because then so it can stop this thing from moving all about and stuff. So now we have to keep this straight, or this kind of a tricky part now. So you take this, put it here. So now should look like this. Get a rubber band, put it through the hole, then you put it down again, and we're going to make the center one, which I just told you about, so the thing doesn't keep on moving. If you want, you can pause the video if it's too tricky, okay? That it's open when it's not supposed to. Now we just add the last remaining rubber band over here. So we do the knots and stuff. So I finally finished it. So now this is what it should look like. So now we're almost done. We just have to add the cap on and then we're done. So you get the cap and you put over here, and make sure to leave a little bit of space, like of here, or at least like this. Make sure to leave a little bit of space so you have some space for, like, you know, launching. So to do that, you get some masking tape, cut pretty much a long piece of tape. Yep. Now the trick is to just keep it under here and attach it, like stick it here, get the cap, and you can stick it like this now. So yeah, now you're done. The catapult's done. Now let's try out with some marbles, shall we? So 3, 2, 1, catapult it! Yay! Now let's do it with another marble. 3, 2, 1, yay! It got yeeted into space. And the last one. 3, 2, 1. It got yeeted into space again. Thanks for watching, and click the subscribe button and also click the like button, and in our next video we will make a different homemade catapult which is just as simple as this. Bye bye, stay tuned.